Okay, we're back with Bottle Filler 2.0. I did some tweaks and changes after the initial filling last weekend to try and see if it helps or can fix some issues, especially with the carbonation, and maybe get a better vacuum and a purge. So what I did is modified my vacuum pump a little bit, just added a vacuum gauge and a T. I am using a CO2 manifold now as well to do a little bit better purge, initial purge. Red goes to CO2, blue is vacuum, and I can change the gauges here, and I'll explain that. So basically, when I was doing the initial purge to get the oxygen out of the bottle, it was just coming from this blow-off port, which really wasn't doing anything because it was just compacting the oxygen in the bottle. So what I did with this, with the CO2 manifold, is added the ability to actually do the initial purge from the filler wand on the bottom and use this blow-off valve to do an initial purge. So push CO2 from the bottom, open this, and it'll be pushed out this way, just for the initial one. Then I'll switch the manifold over to vacuum, and then do my 3 vacuum and purge cycles. I also added another about 5 feet of serving line or filling line to help minimize with carbonation loss. Threw together this sanitizer sprayer, ball lock connection there, connect it to here, push sanitizer through everything and make sure we're good there. You can do that in between filling beers, push out the residual beer if you're going to fill a different style. All of those things. Otherwise, the bottle filler itself is basically the same. 3-way valve, beer side, vacuum side, CO2 side, and we'll get to fill in some bottles today and see if that helps.